Before we get into this video, I want to take this time to thank all of my Patreon patrons. Without you, I would not be able to do all the videos that I'm doing. I really want to stress to you guys how important it is. If you find my content valuable, come support me on Patreon. They could stop my monetization at any time, and I suspect that they will soon. I am a 420 channel, and they don't let 420 channels keep their monetization but for so long. So if you want to support me off of YouTube, if you're one of my YouTube members, please, thank you very much for joining the membership program. If you want to see your name here with the other members, please come join me on Patreon. You do get some great perks for your support. Thank you very much. Now let's get to this video. Alright guys, Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. Welcome to another episode of Good Eats. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic homemade barbecue sauce, and you know that we're doing it Good Eats 420 style. Alright guys, so we're not doing any fancy intros or anything like that. This is a straightforward recipe. The reason why we're doing this today is because I bought an air fryer. And so one of the videos that you're going to see coming up very shortly is my first air fryer video, which is we're going to be doing some chicken drums or some chicken wings, something like that. I want to have a nice barbecue sauce to go with that. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make our very own homemade barbecue sauce, Good Eats 420 style. And you know what that means. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. As always, you can find the list of everything that I'm putting in here. You can find a list of the ingredients. You can find the directions, pictures, video, and everything. Click the link that's in the description. It's going to take you over to goodeats420.com where you'll get everything that you need. First thing is we're going to start with our ketchup. Alright, our ketchup is in there. Alright, we're going to add in our brown sugar. Alright, we're going to add in our vinegar. I'm using white vinegar and apple cider vinegar, but it's up to you. There's our white vinegar. Okay, so we just got finished with the vinegar. That's a lot of acidity. We need to tap that down some with some sweetness, so we got some molasses here. Very nice. Alright guys, so now it's time to start kicking this up 420 style. You know what I'm talking about. We have some honey right here, medicated. And we have some melted can of butter right here. And that's how we're going to medicate this. Alright, so let's keep it going. We're going to go to our Worcestershire, whatever, however you say that. Worcestershire, Worcestershire, whatever. That's next. Next we have the paprika. Here's the chili powder. Next is the turmeric or dried mustard, whatever you want to use. Onion powder. Allspice. And our final ingredient that we're going to use is cayenne. You can definitely change up all the spices and do them to your taste. This is my particular one right here. Alright, so once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, you're going to take a whisk and we're just going to whisk this up until everything's combined fully. What's so great about this is you don't have to cook this. You can if you want to, but whenever you're putting it on, whatever you're going to be putting it on, that's how it's going to get its heat right there. Just mix this together, make sure it's mixed well, and then we're going to bottle it up And that's it. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it, all those spices and let all those flavors that we put inside there, let everything combine fully. I'm gonna be using this sauce tomorrow, so I'm gonna put it overnight in the refrigerator. And that's it. You don't have to cook this at all. It's ready to go right now. All right, so look at that. Ooh. Medicated barbecue sauce. All right, so now that we have our barbecue sauce already mixed together, now all we gotta do is bottle it up right here. Got a bottle, got a funnel, as you can see, bottle, funnel, and let's go ahead and fill it up real quick here. All right, let's just clean the rim real quick here. Very nice. Put the lid on here. And there you have it. Homemade medicated barbecue sauce, ready to go on chicken, ribs, whatever you want to do. You can use it right now if you need to use it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator because we're going to be actually using this tomorrow on some chicken. And so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let all those spices and let all those great flavors that we put in there just combine together overnight. So guys, I hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for all the love. Until next time, guys, peace and good eats.